I think I need a haircut already. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing fine during this pandemic. I really don't want to get into it, but what I really want to get into is all these tips that I'm going to give you that I've been piling them up into this video in order to help you stay busy and motivated during these freakish times. Before we get started, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And here we go with the first tip. First things first, one thing that I like doing before anything is actually organizing my workspace. This means putting my camera gear in my backpack and putting stuff away that's just sitting on my desk. Even after all this, I like to actually keep the flow going by cleaning my apartment. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Speaking of organization, when's the last time you backed up your files from your computer? More than ever, now is the time to back up your photos, videos, and documents. Try to order an external hard drive from Amazon and back up your stuff. I can't stress this enough. If you have the extra cash, get a cloud service too. Cloud services will always be there just in case your laptop and external hard drives crash. If you need that little push or extra motivation to start doing stuff around your place, I highly suggest you to read a book, listen to a podcast, or even your favorite music. Not everything has to be on your laptop, tablet, or phone. Get a book and some coffee or tea if coffee is not your cup of tea. I highly suggest the book How to Win Friends and Influence People as a good read. And for podcasts, I like to listen to The Art of Visuals and Gary Vee podcast on Spotify. Do this before bed instead of being on your phone. One crucial tip you guys can actually be doing right now is updating your website. I'm guilty of this, but I have been neglecting my website for the past 2 months. I started blogging again, updating my portfolio so future clients can see my work when they search for photographers on Google. Better yet, work on your SEO for your website. This will help you gain traffic to your website, which can lead to clients. The more you blog daily, the more you'll pop up on Google searches. If you need more info on SEO, make sure to Google it or YouTube it. It's really easy to learn. Some of you guys have probably done this since you picked up your first camera, but cleaning it is very essential. You don't want to go into Photoshop and clean every dust particle that appears in your photo. Grab a rocket blower and clean your sensor properly. Get a lens cosmate and make sure your lens is free of fingerprints, and for the love of photography, don't use a t-shirt to clean the lens. Whoops. Next step is actually pretty simple. If you guys are making videos on YouTube, I highly suggest you to jot down notes or make a script, for the next video you upload. This way, when this thing blows over, you're already ready and on top of your game. One huge investment you guys could be doing right now is learning a new photo or video technique. This doesn't cost a dime because almost everything is free on YouTube or just Googling it up. If you're a photographer, pick up on video, or if you just do video, pick up on photography. Clients are always going to be looking for a creative that does both or even more. And another big thing you could be doing right now is supporting other artists. You're going to be home most of the time, so might as well support them, right? It doesn't cost you anything to like, comment on someone's work, and you'll most likely get some love back. This will also increase your exposure as likes and comments lead you to be discovered by others. Alright, so tip number 9 I have for you guys is to plan out your next photography adventure. Right now it's actually a good time to start looking for photography locations on Google Maps or even on Flickr. This will save you time and maybe even gas if you don't want to drive so much looking for spots. If you haven't done so, view my video on how to find photography locations, which will be in the description below. And my final tip for this video is to stay active. Just don't sit around the house, don't lay in the bed. Go do something, jog, walk around the neighborhood, drink lots of water. Don't read all the news that's going on with the virus because every minute there's always breaking news. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have any other more suggestions or tips, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Also, if you found this video very informative, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done so. And please guys, be safe out there and keep your creativity flowing. Take care.